In our previous video, we learned how to run a Docker container using the pre-made image from Docker Hub. But in the real world, as developers or DevOps engineers, we need to package our own code into a container. Today, we are going to learn exactly how to do that by writing a Dockerfile. It's like a magic recipe. Welcome back to Hiruni's Cloud Log. I'm Hiruni. If you are new to Docker, the easiest way to understand a Docker file is to think of a cake recipe. To bake a cake, you need two things: ingredients like flour, eggs, and sugar, and steps, instructions on how to mix and bake them. If you follow the recipe correctly, you get a delicious cake. A Docker file works exactly the same thing. It's a simple text file where we list our ingredients like the base image and our source code and the steps to build our portable Docker image. For this example, I am using VS Code as IDE. VS Code is very simple and easy to code, but you can use any other IDE. Before going in the action, install the Docker extension in VS Code for better use of Docker command. Let's see in the action. Here I have a very simple hello world HTML file called index.html. To Dockerize this web page, I am going to write a simple 2-line Docker file in VS Code. First command is from space Nginx alpine. Second line, I am typing this command: copy space index.html space /user/share /nginx/html/. Now, you might have two questions here. Let's look at them closely. Why we are using Nginx alpine? In the first command, we are defining Nginx alpine. This is the base image we are using for this Docker image. What is this alpine? A standard Nginx image can be around 200 megabytes because it's based on Debian Linux and has lot of extra tools. But Alpine is a super minimal and lightweight Linux operating system. The Nginx Alpine image is around 23 megabytes. It's make our container lightweight, fast to download, and highly secure. Second question: why we are using this long path in the second command? This long path means we are copying our index.html file to Nginx container. Think of this is a delivery address. The Nginx server is programmed to look exactly inside this specific folder to find web files. So we must copy our index.html file right into this exact location so Nginx can display it to the world. If you ever need full Linux developer tools inside your container, you can use Nginx latest image. But for the production environment, tech professionals almost always prefer lightweight images like Alpine for speed and efficiency. Now that our recipe is ready, it's time to bake our image. Open your terminal and run this command. Command is docker space build space -t space my app space dot. The -t flag stands for tag, which is just the name of our app, and the dot tells Docker to look for the Docker file in the current folder. Now let's run our custom container. Docker space run space -d space -p space 8080:80 space my app. Now open your browser and go to localhost:8080. Look at that, our custom website is now running and beautifully inside our own custom Docker container. And that's it. You just wrote your very first Docker file. In next video, we will take it a step further and look at how to Dockerize more complex applications like a Node.js app. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.